other alternative treatment or therapies available for headache specifically? I want to discuss migraine also. What are the treatment available?
Sir, madam, for migraine, we have different therapies. One is what is called non-pharmacological therapies.
Okay.
मतलब उसमें हम लोग मेडिसिन नहीं देते पेशेंट को. वन लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस. सो जो पेशेंट को हेडेक है, मतलब महीने में एक ही बार आ रहा है, सो वी विल नॉट गिव रेगुलर मेडिसिन टू दोज पेशेंट. So lifestyle changes, that taking breakfast heavy, daily 30 minutes of exercise,
Okay.
and night time 8 hours of sleep, no mobile use at the night time, 2 hours prior to the sleep, and doing meditation, yoga, that will take care of the most of the headaches which are occurring sporadically. If the headaches are very frequent, like 4 or 5 times in a month, so in such group of patients we give medicines. So in medicines we don't give painkiller to them. We have certain group of migraine medicines which are chemical stabilizers.
Okay.
So the no long run side effects which we can, there are few medicines which we can give in pregnant patients also. There are few medicines which we can give in the postpartum also. So the certain drug therapy what we give it for 2 months, 3 months, till the time headache goes down, the patient is back to the lifestyle changes, and we taper and we stop the medicine.
Okay.
There is certain category of patient, migraine patient, 10% of the patient, what I always say, those who are having chronic migraine headaches, like they are having very frequent headaches since years, or maybe they are taking painkillers, 2 3 painkiller per day. So in that group of patient, the migraine therapy is different. So what we use is innovative technology. So we have injection therapy once in a month. We use brain botox therapy. So we give botox injection over the scalp.
Oh.
Second therapy what we have is, along with that, we have occipital nerve block. So we give a nerve block on the posterior part of the head, so the headache gets better.
Okay.
And the fourth most important therapy what we have nowadays in Navi Mumbai, I think I am the one who's having that therapy, that is Nervio device therapy. So that is the device, the patient has to use it on their arm during the headache. The device is connected to your smartphone. It gives signal to your brain when it vibrates, and it vibrates for around time of 45 minutes, and it takes care of your headache by suppressing descending pathways, pain pathways which are there in the brain. So that is the innovative technology what we have. So definitely the migraine therapy has evolved over period of years. Previously maybe all these options were not available. So these device therapies are safe. Working women while working also they can use such therapies, and the headache gets better over period of time. And these therapies we ask patient to take for 2 months or a 3 months. Moment they are better, we switch them to the lifestyle changes, and they are all better afterwards.
Wow. So have you heard audience, so many interesting treatments available for headache, और हम लोग कभी भी headache को इतना serious नहीं लेते हैं. So I think Dr. Aarti, your I think this center is very much advanced with all subspecialties of neurology.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Because in our center, we try to give one roof solution for all neurological problems.
Okay.
Not only for the headaches, we treat epilepsies, we treat stroke patients, movement disorder, Parkinson's patient. Along with that, we treat lot of mental health issues which are related to the females. So here in my center, I am the full-time neurologist. I'm heading the entire center. We have neurophysiotherapists, we have psychiatrists, we have psychologists, we have speech and swallow therapists.
Oh, okay.
We have NCV, EMG, EEG, and pain management. We give Botox for most of our patients, those who need Botox, like a post-stroke spasticity, or the patient is having chronic migraine. So everything is done under one roof, and we try to treat our patient comprehensively, madam.
Amazing, amazing.